how to create a Walmart account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can create a Walmart account, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you'd like to create a Walmart account, you can do so using your Walmart application as well, or you can simply go ahead and actually open up your browser here. Once you open up your browser, you simply want to go to walmart.com. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down below. When you go to walmart.com, just tap the three lines icon from the top left and go to sign in or create account button. Now you just want to make sure to enter the email address that you actually want to use for your Walmart account. So let me go ahead and then do that as well. Now you need to make sure that this email is not associated with any other emails before, and now you just need to tap the continue option. And over here, as you can see, it says me to enter my first name, last name and create a password. So let me go ahead and also make sure to enter those over here, and it'll ask me to choose a password, so let me go ahead and do that too. Once I've entered the password, all I need to do is just tap on the create account option. Now the final thing it does is that it is actually going to send a verification code to that email. Once you verify the code that you receive on your email, your Walmart account will be successfully created. So this way you can go ahead and then sign up for a brand new Walmart account. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.